بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطالبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضيات لغات، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم سنتناول درس جديد في مادة التفاضل والتكامل. طبعا مادة شيقة جدا ومهمة على أساس أنك أنت بتدرسها في جميع العلوم. Calculus differentiation very important subject، لأنك أنت بتدرسها في كل الكليات اللي موجودة العلمية اللي موجودة في جميع الجامعات المصرية والأجنبية. Welcome my dear student in our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking new lesson. Its title follow implicit function. My dear student, now we are translate to important example. If y equals square root 2 multiply bracket contains sec x plus 10x, where x belongs to open interval 0 by over 2, then what is the value of 1 over y multiply dy over dx? Choose the correct answer. Half sec x, 2 sec x, half cosine x, 2 cosine x. Remember, my dear student, the given y equals square root 2 multiply sec x plus 10x, and from given also x belongs to open interval 0 and pi over 2. The required 1 over y dy over dx. At the first, who answer? What is the derivative of square root of function? Yes, excellent student. 1 over 2 root multiply derivative under square root. Look at y equals square root 2 multiply sec x plus 10x. dy over dx 1 over 2 square root 2 multiply sec x plus 10x multiply in numerator derivative of sec x plus 10x. What is the derivative of sec? Sec 10. What is the differentiation of 10x? Sec square. After that, by putting x belongs to 0 and pi over 2, open interval, we multiply 1 over y, multiply the result of differentiation. At the first, my dear student, when 1 over y dy over dx, write 1 over y multiply derivative y respect to x. What is the derivative y respect to x? 1 over 2 root. Look at multiply differentiation of sec x 10x. What is the differentiation of sec? Sec 10. What is the differentiation of 10 or derivative of 10? Sec square. Look at the right hand side became 2 sec x 10x plus sec x. Why? Because we will take sec x common factor from numerator. Then the numerator became 2 sec x multiply bracket contains 10x plus sec x over 4 multiply sec x 10x. Square root times square root is answer 4 multiply sec plus 10, then the final answer 1 over 2 sec x. This is 1 over y derivative sec x. Look at another example. If we have y determined, this determined has first row 2x 0 0, second row 0 5x 0, third row 0 0 3x. This y equal determined. What is the dy over dx when x equals 1? Someone say this is algebra. Yes, this is pure math. pure math, we can find algebra, differentiation, or trigonometry, or solid geometry. All subjects are called pure math. Someone, this algebra, why we use it in calculus differentiation? I say this is called pure math. Pure math has one exam, contains algebra, calculus, integration, and solid geometry. We can use calculus in algebra, or vice versa. We use algebra with calculus. Look at what is the value of determinant. This value, it is easy. 2x times 5x times 3x equal what? 2 times 5 times 3 equals 30x power 3. This function y equals 30x power 3. After that, it is easy to find dy over dx when x equals 1. Look at multiple choice, 30 or 60 equal 90 or 120. Before we choose, look at the solution. The value of determine 2x times 5x times 3x equals what? 30x power 3. This y. Y equals 30x power 3. What is the dy over dx? 90x power 2. When x equals 1, dy over dx equals 90. Then we choose the correct answer is 90 from letter C. Look at this example. In the opposite figure, we have a circle and AB, CD, two chords intersect at E. AB contains two parts. AE equals 2 unit, BE equals y. DE equals sec 2x, EC tan 2x. The value of dy over dx at x equal pi over 6. We must find relation between y and x. Before we solve this example, is dy over dx 7, 14, 28, or 30? Look at, my dear student, what is the relation? When from the first secondary school, we know that if two chords are intersect in a circle, then we deduce that EA times EB equal AD times EC. When two chords intersect at one point, then we deduce that AE multiply BE equals DE multiply EC. This rule from the first second. The first second, we use first second rule. In third second, yes. The all rules from the first second and secondary, you must observe it. And all rules from primary stage, you must observe it by understanding them. Look at, if we have two chords intersect at one point, then this rule AE multiply BE equals DE multiply EC. By substitution, then we deduce that 2y equals sec double x tan double x. In this case, we know that y equals second y double y equal sec 2x tan 2x. Left hand side, what is the differentiation? 2 dy over dx. What is the differentiation of the right hand side? What is the differentiation of sec? Sec tan. What is the differentiation of tan? Sec square. But don't forget this product of two functions. First derivative second plus second derivative first, or vice versa. We can write derivative first multiply second plus second derivative first. At the first, what is the derivative of sec double x? Sec double x. What is the derivative of sec? Sec tan. In this case, sec tan, but sec multiply double x, differentiation of double x is 2. What is the differentiation of tan double x? Sec square x. Multiply sec double x equal sec power 3 double x multiply 2. Look at, we have highest common factor 2 sec double x. Then we deduce 2 dy over dx equals 2 multiplied by substitution about x equals pi over 6. Answer is 28. Then dy over dx equals 14. Choose the correct answer. Letter answer is number B. Now we are translate to another title. This title of example, y equal determine sec square double x 5 tan x, first row, second row cotan x 5. What is the dy over dx at x equals pi over 8? Choose the correct answer is 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. Before we choose the correct answer, look at y equals determinant. What is the value of determinant? This we cross 6 square double x multiply 5 minus 5 tan x cotan x. Remember, tan multiply cotan equals 1. After that, find dy over dx or the first derivative or y dash. Then, by substitution about x equals pi over 8. Look at y equals, my dear student, this rule of determinant. We have multiply 5 multiply 6 square double x minus 5 tan x cotan x. Then y equals 5 6 square double x minus 5. Why? Because tan x multiply cotan x equals 1. Y equals 5 6 square double x minus 5. What is the dy over dx? In this case, before we find dy over dx, we are taking 5 highest common factor. Then 5 multiplies 6 square double x minus 1. What is the dy over dx? Look at, before we know that this relation between 6 square and 10 square. What is the relation? What is the relation? 10 square plus 1 equals 6 square. Then 6 square minus 1 equals 10 square. This bracket contains 6 square double x minus 1 equals 10 square double x. Multiply 5. After that, we find dy over dx. The function became 5 tan power 2 double x. What is the differentiation of tan power 2? 2 times 5, 10. 10 double x multiply derivative of 10x is 6 square double x multiply 2. Then dy over dx became 20 multiply 10 double x multiply 6 square double x. After that, by substitution, about x equals pi over 2010 double x becomes 20 multiplied 10 45 equals 1. 1 over cosine 45, we have cosine 45 root 2 over 2. 1 over root 2 over 2 equals 2 over root 2 for all power 2. The correct answer equals 40. Then the letter or correct answer number D or letter D. In this example, we use how to find the value of determinant by using rule. The first diagonal multiply element of the first diagonal minus multiply of element of second diagonal. Look at another example. In the opposite figure, we have right angle triangle. This right angle triangle at B and BD perpendicular to AC. We have BD equals square root y and AD equals sine double x. CD equals sec double x. Find dy over dx at x is pi over 8. Choose the correct answer is 2, 4, 6, or 8. At the first, my dear student, we have right angle triangle and BD perpendicular to AC. We use in this case Euclidean theory. What is the relation between y and x? The value dy over dx. Where is the y? What is the x? What is the relation? Remember, from second prep, you are taking or you were taking this rule in second prep. What is the rule? BD square equals DA multiply DC. Remember, Euclidean theory say BD square equals DA multiply DC. DB square equals y. Why? Because DB equals square root y. Therefore, DB square equals y. Multiply sine double x, multiply sec double x. Remember, my dear student, the equation of y, this rule, BD square equals AD multiply DC. Remember, BD square equals AD multiply DC. By substitution, y equal sec double x multiply sine double x. Then we have function. This function, left hand side y, right hand side sec double x sine double x. The required, what is the dy over dx when x equals pi over 8? Look at my dear student. Sec equals what? Sec 1 over cosine. You are very good student. If we substitution about sec double x equals 1 over cosine, then y equals sine double x over cosine double x. What is the rule? Sine double x over cosine double x tan double x. Yes, y equals tan double x. Yes. What is the differentiation? Tan double x, excellent student. Sec square double x multiply 2. After that, by substitution about x equal pi over 8. It is easy to solve this example. Look, someone say we have two functions, first derivative second plus second derivative first. It is correct. When x equal pi over 8, by substitution, then answer is 4. When x equals 45, x equal pi over 8, multiply 2, x equal 45, answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. Letter, where is the correct answer? Letter B. Now we are translate to another example. In the opposite figure, AD bisect angle A. What is the value of dy over dx at x equal pi over 6? Choose the correct answer. In this case, we have 4 multi-choice: 18, 36, 72, 108. In this case, we have AD bisector of angle A. What is the relation between the side of AB and AC and BD and CD? This rule, AB over AC equals BD over DC. This rule, when we have bisector of angle, ratio between two sides equal ratio between two parts of the base. What is the base? BC. Two parts BD, DC. What is the two sides? AB and AC. Then, before we choose the correct answer, look at the relation. The relation y equals 27 equals 10 double x over 3. What is the relation between y and x? Y equals 9, 10 double x. What is the required? Required dy over dx when x equals pi over 6. What is the differentiation of 10 double x? 6 square double x multiply 2. 2 times 9, 18. 6 square double x. Remember, 10 double x, its differentiation, 6 square double x multiply 2. 2 multiply 9 equals 18. 18 6 square double x. By substitution about x equals 30, then the correct answer is, choose the correct answer from the previous. 1 over cosine 60. Cosine 60 equals 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 1 over 1 over 2 equals what? Excellent student. Equals 4. Why? 1 over 1 over 2 for all power 2. Answer is 4 times 18, 72. Then the correct answer from the letters, letter C is 72. Now we are translate to another example. Look at, we have a circle and tangent and the chord DC intersect AB at B. What is the value of dy over dx when x equal pi over 12? Choose the correct answer is 36, 144, 288, 300. Before we choose the correct answer, look at what is the relation between y and x. In this rule, the tangent AB, tangent power 2, AB squared equal BC times BD. BC equals 3 times BD 3 plus sec power 4 3x. Then AB square equals BC multiply BD. AB square y. BC 3 multiply BD 3 plus sec power 4 3x. Before we choose, write the what is the rule? AB square equals BC times BD. Then BC equals 3. AB squared y. Multiply 3 plus sec power 4 3x. What is the first derivative dy over dx? Before, find the first derivative. 3 times 3 9 plus 3 sec power 4 3x. It is easy to find the first derivative of this function. What is the derivative of 9 0? What is the derivative of sec power 4 3x? 4 sec power 3 3x multiply derivative of sec 10. Look at dy over dx equals 3 multiply 4 times sec power 4 3x multiply 3 sec 10. Answer is 36 sec power 4 3x 10 3x. Then by substitution about x equals pi over 12. Pi over 12, answer is 36 times sec power 4 45, 10 45, answer is 144. Choose the correct answer from the previous letter B, 144. By the end of the lesson, my dear student, we know that the implicit function is very important lesson. Why? Because we have relation between y and x. We can use all rules of the first secondary or second secondary to solve problem in third secondary. My dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Thank you. Goodbye.